Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So friends, today in this video we are seeing the modern main gate design ideas for 2024. So friends, a front gate is important feature of any house. They are in charge of the house, safe and security, as well its privacy and security. With so much varieties, it's maybe difficult to decide what type of front gate design ideas required for your house, and it is best to recommend the consider elements such as durability, design, and gate area and budget. Whatever you have to hug property to protect or little side garden, or you just want to keep pets away, and then you only wait to do this put gate design front your specific areas, and prepare the collection of gates that are most suited for your house and safely and secure, as well as some aesthetic signs. Make the front gate for property eye-catching your house inside or outside. Guests will feel through they have entered the house that and meted perfection, charm, and importantly security. With the stunning security gate designs that important to asset to your home and property because they are offered that extra level of protection. Most gates comes with or can easily. The entrance gate is the first element of your home that visitors notice. It's also help to create impression about the house, and it provides security and protection for the residents. The entrance gate design should be reflect the design and philosophy of the and security consider the main factor for entrance gate set away from horizontal slits and because can be clean them easily. Having full and block gate like panels of wood and metal will ensure fully privacy from, especially you have the view inside the house. Entrance gate should be preferable be placed and side or not middle of the house. And in the float of corners plot the roads of the two edges. Then it's advisable to take entrance gate on smaller roads to avoid to vehicular movement on the road. This will also help to maintaining the privacy. And if the float frontage of small and door cannot open fully, you can install sliding doors how to maximizing opening. This ensure maximum space for vehicular movements. On the other hand, if you have to big enough float and frontage and separate smaller gate can be installed for pedestrian movement. The entrance gate should be sturdy and strong to withstand it frequently use. And if you have to metal gates, it should be painted once in while and avoid to rusting and peeling paints. Good gate design is a more than meets of eye. It's combined to aesthetic and functional appearance. And secure when someone seeing gate in front of house, their first reaction may be what Georgia's gateway. But it is the great and gate is a crucial. And entrance gate should be not only match the decor of your property, but also keep outsiders out. However, individuals often struggle to locate a suitable gates for your house. And thanks for entrance gates, there is no need to become concerned about the kids or animals being too wounded while playing outdoors. And often chase the after animals where children frequently rush into the road without thinking may cause an accident. The primary purpose of entry gates is to help to keep your house. Moreover, gate has to be robust and challenging to intruders the gate around the dependable. Those it should be maintain its durability with frequently and use. Good gate design may be dramatically boost the value of your property, much like many of the home improvements from financially and standpoint. It still makes the sense even if you do not have any immediate plans of sale and recollect. Adding value of your home does not mean just the house and home decor. You can also use added your memories through photos and stick from wall pics. An entrance enclosures gate the cloud make your property seem walled And the first part may be significantly enhance the look of your house. There are gates to match every property. And any sense of style match every property and the sense of style from bespoke the traditional and simple designs. Moreover, whatever you had rustic timber, the style of some detail and decorative elements, the neighbors and thoughtfully it's impress. When the quality it's considered the entrance gateway may be investment and must not only provide unbreakable security, but it should be also durable enough to continue performing at the same level every day and for long time. This involves maintaining the durability over time regardless of the external conditions of may be encountered. And the mode of property more important than actual components of the residence of instance. If home is contemporary and ecological made of natural materials like stone, wood, fibers, you want to use pick the black iron gate since it would be seem entirely of your place. In this situation, you have to maybe consider the utilizing weather conditions and steel which will develop lovely rusty and patina over time that contribute the seamless appearance of natural element in the home and the property. And your gate need to be attractive but also harmonious. When it's surrounding, since it is the first thing visitors will notice their approach your house, utilize the gate and additionally highlight of your surroundings. Also, the most stunning gate will features elegant lines and components if property does. Furthermore, gates should be safely and operational and aesthetically pleasing to the neighborhood. This is a similarly significant when considering home close by a chosen since the homes ultra modern and made of and concrete the glass and neighbor's property could have to more traditional appearance. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share it. Thank you for watching. Front gate is important feature of any house. They are in charge of the houses, safety and secure, as well its privacy and secure. With so much varieties, it may be difficult to decide what